Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question taken from JEE main exam of 2023. The question is based on dimensions of physical quantities. Read the question carefully. If the velocity of light c, universal gravitational constant g, and Planck's constant h are chosen as fundamental quantities, the dimensions of mass in the new system is. The options are given in the question. We are required to find the correct option. Now for the solution. Now let the dimensions of m in the new system be h to the power x, c to the power y, and g to the power z. We want to evaluate the values of x, y, and z. We have written in this order h, c, g because the options are given in that order. Which can be written as h to the power x, c to the power y, and g whole to the power z. Now we'll remove this and put it there. Now let us mark this as equation 1. H to the power x, dimensions of m is equal to dimensions of h to the power x, dimensions of c to the power y, and dimensions of g to the power z as equation 1. Now to find out the dimensions of h, we'll use the equation for the energy of a photon given by E is equal to hf, which implies h is equal to E by f. Since f has got the frequency has got the dimensions of time inverse, therefore we can write this as E into t. Therefore we can write dimensions of h is equal to dimensions of E into dimensions of t. Now dimensions of E is equal to m1 L2 t minus 2, and this is t1. This will give m1 L2 t minus 2 plus 1 is t minus 1. This is the dimensions of h. Remove everything and put it there. Now for c, the velocity of light, it's the dimensions of c is equal to dimensions of velocity, which is equal to L1 t minus 1. To find the dimensions of gravitational constant, we'll use the expression for gravitational force between two masses. F is equal to g m1 m2 by r square, which can be written as g is equal to f r square by m square. M1 and m2 both will have the dimensions of mass. Therefore, we can write f r square by m square. Now, dimensions of f is equal to m1 L1 t minus 2, and dimensions of r square is equal to L square, and m square is divided in the denominator, therefore it comes up as m to the power minus 2. This side we will write dimensions of g. Now assembling the powers of m, l, and t from the three terms, we get m1 and there is minus 2, so m minus 1, l1 and l2, l3, t minus 2, only one term. So dimensions of gravitational constant g is equal to m minus 1, l3, t minus 2. Let us put it here and remove everything. Let us put the dimensions of h, c, and g in equation 1. We have put the dimensions of m as m1, l0, t0 because there are no length terms and time terms. Similarly, we have put the dimensions of h, c, and g and put the powers as x, y, and z as in equation 1. Assembling the powers of m and lt, we get this m to the power x minus z and L to the power 2x plus y plus 3z and t to the power minus x minus y minus 2z. Let's remove this and put it there. Now let us equate the powers of m, l and t on both sides of the equation, which will give us, we get m to the power x minus z is equal to 1. Mark this as equation 2. L to the power 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 0. Equation 3. T to the power minus x minus y minus 2z is also equal to 0. Equation 4. Adding equations 3 and 4, we get 2x minus x is equal to x, y gets cancelled, 3z minus 2z is equal to z. So x plus z is equal to RHS is 0. Let us mark this as equation 5 and let us put it here and remove this. Now equation 2 plus equation 5, these two, adding them, what do you get? X plus x is equal to 2x, z minus z plus z is equal to 0 is equal to RHS 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, which gives x is equal to 1 by 2. Now equation 2 implies z is equal to x minus 1. Put in the values of x is half minus 1 is equal to minus half. So let us write z is equal to minus half and remove this. Now to find the value of y, we will use equation 4. So y is equal to minus x minus 2z. Putting the values, minus x is minus half and minus of 2z. 2z is equal to minus 1 and minus 2z is equal to plus 1. Therefore, this is equal to plus half. So we get y is equal to half. Putting the values in equation 1. M is equal to h to the power x. X is your half. C to the power y. Y is half again. And g to the power z. That z is minus half. Minus half. So one can, this is the answer to the question. Now one can easily see that which one is the correct option? Half, half, minus half. Option 3 is the correct option. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching.